is your transporter sliding rail cover also not holding in properly, then watch along and I'll show you how I'm going to fix this. As you can see, yeah, it just bags away all the time. You can kind of, I don't know if you can see in there, see the clips aren't in properly all the time. Really annoys me. So we're going to fix that. It's quite a simple way to get it off, I think. I've never actually taken one off, but by the looks of things, we've got a Torx bolt there, which I believe is a 20. Might be a 25. 25, T25 in there. And another one at the back here. Under this cover, which we've got to take off, 2 screws. So let's take them off. We'll have a look inside there. So yeah, now we've got the light out of the way. You can see there's another one there, like I thought. If your van isn't a tailgate model like mine, or it's got barn doors, the lights are probably slightly different, so that might not be quite the same. But anyway, if your light is covering it, that's what we've got to get to. So let's pop them 2 out, knock the clips out, and we'll replace them. There we have it. You can see I've got it off completely. I'm just interrupting the video for a minute to apologise for not actually removing the sliding door panel. My clips weren't holding in, so once I removed those screws it kind of just fell off. But if your clips are still holding on, it is just a case of sort of giving it a bit of a pull to pop them out the bodywork. And the same with the refitting. I didn't record that. Don't know why, but yeah, once you get the clips all lined up, just pop them on, and then it's the 2 screws, as you'll see in a little bit. There's more clips than I thought, actually. I just thought it was these up ones here, but there's another set and then rows there. And yeah, I had the door at that sort of angle to wiggle it out, and that seemed to work. So yeah, don't have it fully shut, don't have it quite all the way open, just enough to wiggle it out. So here we are, got it on the bench, ready to replace. Now when I was buying these clips, there's 2 different types I found online. I mean, these are just off eBay. So I bought a bag of each, not knowing what I needed. It's got these white ones in it, like that now. But there's also these black ones, which pop in. I'm not sure if these white ones are the correct ones, so I'm going to have a try these black ones. I'll see if these are the right ones, because they weren't obviously holding. But if not, it's going to be these. I'll report back. Truthfully, either of them will work. I've tried them in there. Black ones fit, white ones fit. Not really sure why there's 2 different types of clip, but the other side's got the white ones on. It had the white ones on here. The reason I think they weren't working is because this panel's been off, because there's been paintwork done on the van before, and they've obviously just reused the old clips. So I'm going to put the white ones on, bang it on, and hopefully it's all good. If not, I've got a bag of black ones and we'll do it again, because it didn't take long to take off. Fresh new clips. Ooh! Let's go put it back on. While I've got this off, I'm going to take the opportunity as well to put a bit of spray grease on this roller. Still run down the side of the van. Never mind. You can see as well where that's been rubbing on that panel where it's not fitted properly. Anyway. Yeah, it feels a bit nicer. Panel time. Well, that's way better. That's never fitted like that since the whole time I've owned it. It's only a simple little job, but it makes all the difference. Yeah, no more scraping. What a beauty. Let's put the 2 screw-ins and give her a bit of a clean up. Sometimes some of the cheap, quick, easy fixes can be the most rewarding. And this is definitely one of those cases for me anyway. What a difference. Yeah, that works, or fits loads better. Sliding doors no longer grinding on there. All for the sake of like, I don't know, I think it was like £3. Probably for both sets of clips. So yeah, absolute bargain. Worthwhile doing, easy job. If yours is like it, do it. make it a million times better. So hopefully some of you have found this useful. I'll put a link in the description below on where I got the clips from. But yeah, if it was useful, give us a like, give us a subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next one.